So, hello guys, we are here. We are here. Finally, this is our first video. So, what we are planning for now is that you can ask what is. Uh, here we are in general going to talk about forces in nature. So, our area of interest for this particular session will be about uh, what are fundamental forces of nature and how do these forces actually work. How do these forces actually work? So, we are going to get into the what I can say, into the deeper insights, that into rigorous mathematical way to find out how actually forces in our universe actually work. So let's try to find out some rigorous way to understand how things are actually going to work for this session. So let's go.